I die for your sins and this is what I get? Pedophiles? Big hats? Incense? And dead languages. Alright. Maybe we fucked up when we picked the Romans, but this is bordering on ridiculous. I tell you all to love each other, regardless of anything. And what do you do instead? You use my name as an excuse to not love each other and only pay attention to what my disciples said. Now listen, it's called Christianity, not epistolology. That having been said, quit! You fucking overdeveloped gorillas! Before my dad comes up with a better disease. Or you all blow each other up. The word of the Lord.